Come to Costco with me today as I spend my annual rebate check. I'm going to take you on a shop with me and then share a haul with you. I did spend $1,110, but I had a $643 reward certificate, so my total out of pocket was only $467. I've got some neat blankets here. I might get one of these for the basement. This is a queen size blanket for $15.99. It's $4 off. Super soft. Does anyone still have a home phone? If so, you can get a 4-handset phone for 80 bucks. This actually looks kind of cool, but I'm not willing to spend that much on it. It's a charger where you can charge both your iPhone and your Apple Watch. It's $119. I'm not. It's too much. But I think I am going to get some of these fast chargers because for some reason we have like no charging blocks and we have a bunch of cords. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but these are $7 off. I really kind of want this curved monitor. I don't know. I might have to get it. I have my reward certificate to spend. So I have to tell you guys, I bought this Shark, the lift away vacuum here at Costco several months back, probably 6 months ago, and it is one of the best vacuums I've ever had. I think it is way better than the Dyson. So I highly recommend that if you're looking for a vacuum. $19.99 is a good price for these bowls. I don't need them, but I just thought I'd show you guys. The only thing I don't like about these is that they don't have a handle on them. The ones that I got on Amazon have a handle on the side, which makes it really nice for mixing. These cutting boards are pretty. Teak cutting boards are kind of small though. I used to have one of these. I ended up getting rid of it because the bottle just got really sticky with oil and I felt like I had to wash it all the time. But that's a pretty good price, $12.97. And then they have these oven dish sets for $17. If you're looking for meal prep containers, these are some of the best ones. These are plastic and these are glass, I believe. Yeah, I personally like the glass ones better, but these are good too. And then they have these, they have these produce keepers. Oh wow, that's a good size. Okay, interesting. Now I wish they had this in dish soap, I would totally buy it. What happens to me is I end up with a lot of spray and no dish soap. Like I run out at different times. Have you guys tried these? They look really good. They're pineapple teriyaki chicken meatballs. Yum. This is actually a super good deal on this yogurt. It's like $5.99 for 12. The problem is we never eat it in time. Do these really work? Toaster grills, grilled cheese you put in your toaster. I'm like very intrigued with these. So I have a bunch of these flamingo razors that I bought at Target, but I really like these. And this is $24.99 here at Costco for 13 blades. So that's a pretty good price actually. So if you see these, I would recommend them. I've never tried Harry's. I've seen it in people's videos before. I guess it's more of a men's razor, not that it really matters. Adam doesn't shave with this type of razor, so he doesn't need those. Okay, so I thought I would share with you guys what I got from Costco. I didn't really buy many groceries at all, so the majority of this haul is all household things. I did pick up some salmon. If you've never purchased it from Costco before, it's pretty good. What I normally do is cut this into portions and freeze it, and I think it's gotten more expensive since I've last purchased it there, but like I said, it's pretty good, and you get a lot of it so that you don't have to buy it again for a while. I also got some of this beer battered cod. I don't believe I've purchased this particular kind before, but I've bought other, frozen fish from Costco before, and it's been good, so got that. And then I also got some chicken salad. My stepdad was mentioning that he really likes Costco's chicken salad. So I did go ahead and get some of this for him. It's just a rotisserie chicken salad. And then I also got some cucumbers, 3 of those. These, I don't know if I've seen these there before. These are salami and provolone cheese. I thought that Adam could take these to work or eat them for snacks, or maybe the kids will eat them, I'm not sure. I also got a bag of cauliflower florets. This was pretty cheap. I want to say it was like $3.99 for 2 pounds of cauliflower, so that's a good price. Honestly, if Costco was closer to me and not like 50 minutes away, I would probably buy more groceries there. It's just that I don't normally go there that often, so I don't normally know like what they have in stock besides the, you know, the normal like staples that I buy. But anyway, I mean, obviously I do purchase like more household items than grocery items there. Okay, this was a sample and they got me. So this is the Taste of the South fried pickle and ranch dip. They had it with chips and it was really good, so I thought I would get some of that. It was only like $4.99. I also got some butter. We, I think, only have a couple sticks left, and I always like to keep butter in the fridge, or I'm sorry, the freezer, so we don't run out. So I got a package of this, 4 pounds of the salted sweet cream butter. Oh, I actually meant to get unsalted, but whatever, it's fine. I got some of the Tillamook medium cheddar cheese. I always like to keep that on hand for different recipes and just snacking and stuff like that. I did get a pineapple. I've got some produce coming from Misfits Market on Monday, I believe. So I should be okay on that. But I thought the pineapples looked good, so I decided to get one of those. And then I also got some of these Duke's shorty sausages. If you've never had these, they are... they're kind of like those turkey sticks that I buy, except they're not quite the same because these aren't refrigerated. I'm not sure. Do you have to refrigerate these after you open them? Oh, use within 3 days to refrigerate. Yeah. Anyway, they're kind of like a cross between turkey sticks or beef sticks and beef jerky. So let me know if you guys have tried those. No, I know sometimes they have different flavors of these, but this was the only flavor they had today, so I got that. So that's all the food items that I got. I did do a Walmart grocery haul the other day, which you guys will be seeing that on Monday, so stay tuned for that. I did decide to get this set of muffin pans. Right now I only have one like actually decent muffin tin, and all the other ones I have are either super old and dented or they're starting to get rusty. And so this was on sale, I believe, for $15.99. So I just decided to grab it so I would have some nice ones. I'm starting to get to that point where it's like, okay, we've been married for like what, 16, it'll be 16 years this year. And so some of the things that I got at my wedding are just like not, they're not as good anymore. So I need to kind of start replacing that kind of stuff. I got Connor a couple pairs of pants. These are just the Adidas like track pants. And then I also got him a pair of navy blue Fila track pants. I got Adam some of the sugar-free Red Bull. And then I also got some of the sparkling ice. This comes with strawberry watermelon, black cherry, and lemon lime. I got some paper plates. I always like to stock up on those when I go to Sam's or Costco. And then we're on our last box of dryer sheets. So I like to get these at Costco too. I just think they're a really great deal. You get 2 kind of larger boxes for $9.99, which is really a lot cheaper than you can get them at Walmart. So I like to get them there. I showed you guys this. These are just the charging blocks. They don't have the regular USB. They have the other, I don't know what that's called. I don't know what any of this stuff is called. The other USB port, is it USB 3? I don't know, Adam probably knows. But I got these, like I said, because we have several cords and don't have the correct charging plugs to go with them. I also got some socks. So I got these for Connor. He needs some new ones. These are just the Adidas men's performance socks. I hope they're not too big for him. I think he wears a 6 right now, so they should be okay. And then I also needed some new no-show socks. I haven't bought any in quite a while. And these are just plain white, so I thought these would go well, just like with regular tennis shoes. I was kind of excited to see these there. These are the gum soft picks, and I like these because they are minty flavored, and these are really helpful. Both Kira and I have braces right now, and so these are super helpful to keep in your purse like after you eat, so you can kind of clean your mouth out when you're not home to brush your teeth. And they actually come with like the little like travel cases. I don't know if you can see them in there. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. You get 180 in there, and I can't remember exactly how much they were. I want to say like $12 or something like that. So those will last us a while. And then we also needed more toothpaste. I like the Sensodyne Advanced Whitening, and I find that Costco is one of the cheapest places I can get it in a 4-pack, and then I don't have to buy it for a while. Okay, so this was probably the most, I think it was, well, definitely the most expensive item that I bought. I did show you guys that monitor there, but I didn't end up buying it because I don't really need it. It's like, I don't need it. It's just something that I saw and I'm like, ooh, that's pretty. I like that. But anyway, this is a 14-piece ring alarm security set. We already have one. This is kind of just like an add-on to what we have now. So I was actually texting Adam back and forth with pictures from the store because they had this one, and I believe this was like $3.49. I want to say it was pretty pricey. But like I said, I did have my rewards certificate, so that pretty much covered that along with many other things in this haul. But they also had I think it was a 10-piece set for $149, $179. I can't remember. But anyway, they had several different ones to choose from. But yeah, so we got that. Adam will have fun setting that up. And then I also got some more laundry detergent. I always try to get laundry detergent when I'm at Sam's or Costco, and I like to get Gain because I like the scent of it, and it's normally cheaper than the Tide brand. They had the Downy Unstoppables on sale as well, so I can't remember exactly. I think they were like $12.99, something like that. They are a little bit pricey, but if you buy them in bulk, like at Costco, they're cheaper than getting the smaller containers at Walmart. And then I always have to use Finish in my dishwasher because it doesn't dry very well. And so if I don't use this, the dishwasher cycle will take like 2 hours and 45 minutes to get dry. So I definitely need this, and I never, or I try to always keep some so I don't run out. I also got some of the Dust Off compressed air cans. These are for obviously dusting keyboards, but you can use them for many other things as well, blinds, etc. So I don't think we really need 6 cans, but like I said, last time I was looking for some, I thought we still had a couple cans left, and it turns out we were out. So I just went ahead and got this since I was there. Adam and I can just split these and each keep some in our offices. And then I also got Kira some, these are just plain like tank tops. They had these in packs of 4. I already took it out of the box because I was going to wash them. But I think these were a good deal. I think you get 4 in there for like, I want to say like $9.99. They're just like plain cotton tanks. There's 2 black ones, a gray one, and a white one in there. And then I thought these towels were really pretty. So again, I'm going to go through some of my towels and get rid of some of them because like I said, some of them I still have from when Adam and I got married, and even before that, like when we lived in an apartment, and you know how towels get to be like 20 years old and they're like, just like they feel like sandpaper. So I'm going to go through maybe this weekend if I have time, otherwise at some point, and kind of recycle some of them. But these were, I believe, $7.99 each, and they're a decent size. They're nice and thick. I got 2 of this like darker blue color and then 2 of the lighter blue color. I actually think that these will go really well in Connor's bathroom because his shower curtain kind of matches with this vibe. So I got 4 of those. And then I showed you guys this. This is a 4-piece set, Pro Keepers Fresh Produce Keeper set. I really liked that they had the smaller ones for the berries, and then this kind of like shallow, longer container. I've just been looking for some different produce keepers that will fit better in my fridge. I do have, and I do use these. You guys have seen me use those before, these Rubbermaid ones, but sometimes they're just like, I find that they're very tall, and I just feel like they don't always fit in my fridge. So I don't know, I thought I would try these out. I probably need to go through all of my cabinets and reorganize and probably pass some things on, but we'll see when I do that. I did get some Ziploc sandwich bags. So this was one of the times when I went to Costco and I actually remembered what I had already because I looked. So I have gallon bags, I have quart bags. I needed a sandwich. So I just got the package of 4, and these will last me quite a long time, but that's nice because this is only $9.99 and then I won't have to worry about buying them for a long time. I did get some more of the foil pans. These are like 13 by 9 size pans, and actually they're not quite 13 by 9, they're like 11 by 9, but I am new making some freezer meals, and also when I deliver and make lasagnas for Lasagna Love, I always use these because it's just convenient to be able to make it in that. And then obviously that's really the only choice, right? Because you don't really know the people you're delivering it to. So what am I talking about? But I like to buy them there because you get 30 in a package, and I believe they're like $9.70 or something like that. They're less than $10, so it's a pretty good deal. I also got some of the Dove spray deodorant. I was actually kind of excited to find this there. I didn't realize that they had women's spray deodorant there. This is the kind of deodorant that Kira and I prefer as opposed to like the stick deodorant. So there's 3 in there, and this was on sale for $5 off. So I was excited to see that. So picked that up. I also got some dishwasher tabs. I was running low on these, so I need to restock. These are the Finish Quantum Powerball. You get 100 tabs in there for, I want to say, well, I actually didn't look at the price like per box. I was looking at the price per unit. So I want to say these were like 12 cents a tab, and I looked at the Cascade ones and those were more expensive. Now, if you guys have tried the Costco dishwasher tabs, like the Kirkland brand, I would be curious to know if you like those. If you have tried them and you like them, let me know how they work, because I might buy those next time if they are just as good as the brand name, because they are a lot cheaper. I got some toilet paper. We needed to restock on that, so I got the Charmin. And then I decided to get the Kirkland paper towels because they were cheaper than the Bounty, and honestly, I don't really notice that much of a difference. And they do have like the Selecta size too, which I like because then you can kind of just tear off what you need. I did end up getting this blanket. I'm going to wash it and then probably we'll have it down in the basement to use on the couch down there. But I bought this one because it was large. It's actually a queen size, which I think is nice. I like big cozy blankets. So yeah, I'll wash this and then we'll have it down there for that. It's super soft. I like it a lot. Okay, and then I did get some new curtains / drapes, whatever. So I've been wanting to get drapes for Adam and I's bedroom for a while, and I just never like looked for them or pulled the trigger or whatever. Right now we have blinds in our bedroom. They're actually the same blinds that are down here in the kitchen, and it's not my favorite thing. This year will be in the house for 5 years, and I have decided that I don't really care for the blinds because they really don't do a good job of blocking the light out, which is fine. But like sometimes if you want to sleep in, and especially when it starts getting lighter earlier and earlier, it's nice to have blackout curtains. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to leave the blinds up and then put these over them, or if I'm just going to have Adam take the blinds down and then just have curtains. I'm kind of leaning towards taking the blinds down because I just think that, I don't know, blinds are a pain in the, you know what, to clean. They're just a pain. So anyway, this is like a taupe color, and they come in pairs. So there's 2 in each one. They're 84 inches long, which will be fine. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 windows in our bedroom, so I got 4 pairs. One of the windows is like a double window, so I'll use 4 panels for that. If I wouldn't have had my reward certificate, I probably would not have purchased these. I want to say they were like around $20 each, so altogether $80, which really isn't that big. I mean, not that big, isn't that bad of a deal. But like I said, since I had the reward certificate, I went ahead and got them. So I do need to get, I need to go measure the windows, measure the width of them, and then either go to Walmart and get some rods or order them from Amazon. So that's everything that I got from Costco today. So thanks you guys for coming along with me on this haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.